We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said to stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that's left to do is run. You will be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet, just pretend everything you, so close your eyes. Skip this time for a little while. 'Cause you were Romeo, was the scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, I was begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo said me, they're trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Oh. Wondering if you were ever coming around. My feeling was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone. I'll keep waiting for you, but you never come. It's this in my head, I don't know what to think. Hitting out to the ground and pull out a ring and say, marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone. I love you.